Welcome to In 5 Minutes. Now we'll continue with two special statements of C, break and continue. These statements are used inside the control statements like for, while, switch case to control the working of these looping statements or switch case statements. Let's see working of break. It's a single word and it's a keyword of C. It is used with for statement, do while statement, while statement and switch case statement. If break occurs inside these statements, then the loop will stop and program control will be transferred outside the loop, and program will continue with the remaining, that is rest of the statements inside the program. Now when to use and why to use it? Sometimes we write a program in such a way that it has to work with certain statements or it has to repeat certain process n number of times. But if certain critical condition occurs or some special condition occurs, then the loop should not continue for n iterations but stop in between and program should proceed further. So we'll write a program that should by default work for n iterations, but if certain condition occurs, the loop should break, that is stop in between and proceed further with the remaining statements. In such cases we use break statement. Let's see the actual working of break. Now here we can see we have written a loop that has to work for by default 5 iterations. Since initially k variable is set to 1, condition on k is k less than equal to 5 and k plus plus. Because of that, this loop is going to work for 5 iterations and then go out of the loop and print C. Now here, if I want to stop in this loop in between, I can put a condition over here like this. If certain condition occurs, then stop the loop. So here I'll put a break statement. Okay, so how it's going to work is like this. If the condition becomes true, break will occur. If break occurs, program will jump outside the printf. Assume that while working with this loop, if this never happens to be true, then the loop will work normally and terminate after 5 iterations. Now to understand, let's put some demo condition over here as if k mod 3 is 0, then break. Now let's see the working of program with this condition. Initially k is set to 1, then while is true, printf a works. If checks the condition, condition is false, this condition is false, so program goes to printf p, then k plus plus occurs, k becomes true, while condition is true, so printf a works. Again if checks the condition, condition is false because 2 mod 3 is not 0. Again printf p works, k plus plus occurs, k becomes 3, loop repeats, k less than equal to 5 is true, printf a works. This time k mod 3 condition is true because 3 mod 3 is 0. Because of that, if is true, break will occur and break will take the program control outside the loop and printf c will work. So in this case, the by default the loop was supposed to work for 5 iterations, but it stopped after 3rd iteration. Is because if condition was true, break occurred. Now in real practice or real examples, this condition will be some variable condition that may become true or that will hold true or that may not become true at all while the loop is working. In this case, it worked at 3rd iteration and the loop stopped, but it may happen that this condition never holds true and the loop will terminate normally after 5 iterations. Thank you.